Hello everybody. Today we're going to multiply fractions by whole numbers. This may seem hard at first, but it's not that bad. So first we're going to multiply 8 times 5/12. So really when we're multiplying 8, we're multiplying 8 wholes, right? Times 5/12. Now when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So we do 8 times 5, and 8 times 5 is 40. Then we multiply the denominator 1 times 12, and that's going to be 12. So now we have 40 twelfths, but that's an improper fraction. So you know what we got to do to an improper fraction? We have to change it to a mixed number, and we do that by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So 40 divided by 12. So we go 40 divided by 12. 12 goes into 40 3 times. Then we multiply. 3 times 12 is 36. Then we subtract. 40 minus 36 is 4. And we represent the remainder as a fraction, so we write 4/12. We can simplify that. So we can say 3 and 1/3. And the way we simplified it is 4/12 divided by 4/4 equals 1/3. And that's how we get that. Your answer could be either way. So either one of these will be the right answer. Now let's try one more. 9 times 1/4. Now again, we're going to rewrite this 9 wholes times 1/4. And 9 times, and then we're going to multiply the numerator by the numerator. So that's 9 times 1 is 9. And the denominator by the denominator. 1 times 4 is 4. Now we are almost done, but what we need to do is we need to change this into a mixed number. So 9 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. And we have to represent or put our remainder as a fraction. So it'll be 2 and 1/4. So your answer here is 2 and 1/4. Okay, those are the problems for those are the answers, I should say, for number 1 and number 2. So you can put those right in and keep moving on. Take your time. Good luck. If you have trouble, watch the video again. I think it'll help. Thanks.